This is Mark Infradez with the Broad Market Review for December the 3rd, 2012. Well, the markets were down today. Bearish day here. On the S&P 500, we were down 0.47%. Dow Jones Industrial down 0.46%. The Nasdaq down 0.027%, and the small caps were down 0.14%. Banks, though, were only down a fraction, so they did not lead the way down today, so this may not be a very strong downstroke. And then we've got the VIX, however, was up 4.8%. Boy, very high on that side, so some mixed signals there. Commodities were up slightly, and the dollar was actually down. Usually it goes the opposite of the markets. Trend trade is not on today for Grok grads. So let's take a look at the S&P, and as you can see, we were at this 1409 has been a strong resistance and support line, and back here it was support, broke through, goes in resistance, then popped up last week, and now it comes down. And where's it close today? At 1409. What a surprise. Well, perhaps we're just high basing here and getting ready for a leg higher, or not. Let's take a look next at the Dow. The Dow is playing around this 13,000 line here. Resistance pops up. It actually broke below it today, so it's a little more bearish than the S&P. Take a look here at the Nasdaq, and it's at its 3,000 level. Was resistance kind of magneting around there, came up and now popped above, and again right at support at 3,002 it closed today. So still support there. Small caps though, big pop up, and it's still retaining here, has not filled this gap at all yet. So some things are still looking bullish even though it was a bearish day. Is your trading going as well as you want it to be? Well, why don't you get the proper education? Des and I are putting on the final mentoring course of the year. In fact, it's going to be the last one at the 2012 prices. Just go to our site, freeonlinetradingeducation.com, to mentoring. And when you touch on that, here's a description of the course. It's 3 days, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. And then actually here's some videos of it. This weekend's is going to be online, so you can do it right from your own beauty of your own home. Hear testimonials from folks who've taken the class before. See what kind of impact it's had on their trading. Don't take our word for it. So if you are interested, just go here to this and fill out this form right here, and Caroline will give you a call and have a discussion with you to see if this mentoring program is appropriate for you. Well, this is Mark the Meerkat suffering here, just to remind you that trading without stops is kind of like jumping out of an airplane without a parachute. It is insanity. Trade well.